Hi guys, in this video I'd like to show you how to use Vidnami to create attention-grabbing video ads in less than 2 minutes. Now if you're a business owner, then you already know that creating ads that convert is hard. First, you have to craft a compelling hook that grabs your audience's attention. Then you need to find the right visuals to convey your message. And finally, you need to select the perfect music to tie everything together. To make really good ads, you need to be a copywriter, a video director, and a musician. Most regular business owners just don't have the time to develop these complex skills. And that's why we added an instant ad library to Vidnami. So what's an instant ad? An instant ad is a video ad that is already pre-made for you. All you have to do is add your company details, and in less than 2 minutes, you've got a professional video ad ready to publish on Facebook or Instagram. This means all the hard work of creating a good hook, finding the perfect video clips, and selecting music is done for you. So let me show you exactly how Vidnami's instant ad system works. To get started, I'll click the Create New Video button. And then I'll select the Instant Ad category here. Next, I can choose an event from this drop-down box. For example, let's choose Valentine's Day. I can now review the Valentine's Day ads available and choose one that fits my business. For example, if I ran a day spa, I might decide to use this ad. I give my ad a title, and then I can review the pre-made ad and tweak it to fit my business. I can then preview and render my finished ad. So let's take a look at the Valentine's Day ad we just made in less than 2 minutes. With the Instant Ad Library, Vidnami is without a doubt the fastest and easiest way to create professional video ads for your business. And if you're a video freelancer, marketing consultant, or you run a digital agency, Vidnami allows you to create high-quality video ads for your clients at a fraction of the cost normally associated with high-end ad production. So give it a try today and see just how quick and easy it is to create professional ads using Vidnami. In the next video, we'll take a look at how to create video sales letters to convert your viewers into paying customers.